In a small cozy hole beneath the kitchen floor lived a little mouse named Tim. His heart was full of kindness and courage. One day, Tim looked out the window and saw some birds shivering in the cold. They were hungry and had nothing to eat. Tim turned to his grandma mouse and said, "I want to help them, Grandma." But Grandma warned, "Never go into the kitchen. The big cat is always there." Still, Tim was brave. He tiptoed into the kitchen while the cat was asleep on a chair. Quiet as a whisper, he picked up tiny crumbs from the floor. His little heart was pounding, but he didn't stop. As soon as he had enough, he dashed outside and gave the crumbs to the birds. The birds cheered. "Yay! Thank you, Tim." From that day on, everyone called him Tim the Brave. He may have been small, but he showed that a big heart and kind action makes you truly mighty. So, little kids, the moral of the story is, you don't have to be big to be brave.